Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is gonna be all about crabs. Hey guys, so the cleaning process of the crabs starts right from the market. If you're willing to allow the market crab sellers to kill the crab for you, they will do that by removing the unwanted parts, mostly the face and the abdomen of the crabs. So the next step will be to clean the crabs under a running tap and put in a pot of boiling water without any seasoning or salt. This is to make the cleaning easier. When you see your crabs this way, you know it is time to take it out of the boiling water and clean properly. To continue the cleaning process, we'll be removing the fins, the unwanted fins from the crab. And this orange thing you are seeing, someone may be wondering, what is this? This is the egg in the crab, and this is because it's a female crab. It is very edible, so you can either discard it or leave it in the crab and cook it along with it. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to smash the subscribe button so you get notified on more food content to come. Look at this yummy goodness. Oh my god. And just so you know, the crab legs are so delicious. You need to crack the legs anytime you want to eat it because they've got meat in them, so you need to crack them properly to get the meat from the legs. I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the box for more videos. Thank you, and see you in my next video.